Clogs and stubborn odors coming from your drain lines or grease traps can be a difficult problem to solve for the long term. Some solutions may make an immediate difference, but eventually the issue will pop up again. Stick around to learn more about our highly effective solutions to this issue. Here at State, we aim to provide highly effective solutions to a variety of different areas across various industries. In this video, we'll take a closer look at Grease B Gone and Grease B Gone Cherry, exploring how they can help keep your drain lines clear and smelling fresh. Let's start with the basics. What is Grease B Gone? Grease B Gone is a fast-acting drain maintainer that will quickly dissolve fats, oils, and greases, also known as fogs, that build up within your drain lines, ensuring a fresh-smelling and free-flowing drain system. This product comes in two variations: a citrus-based formulation that leaves behind a pleasant citrus scent, or a cherry-scented option for those who prefer an alternative to the citrus fragrance. Who is Grease B Gone a good fit for? Grease B Gone is a great solution for maintaining kitchen, bathroom, shower, or bar drains that aren't already experiencing severe backups. It will also work to dissolve fogs within a grease trap to reduce the number of pump outs required. With that being said, Grease B Gone may not be the most effective solution for you if your facility is already experiencing severe backups or clogs from fogs or other inorganic materials like cotton or scale buildup. This product is a drain maintainer, not a drain opener. If this sounds more like the issues your facility faces, check out our video on Scram, State's acid-based drain opener that quickly liquefies most obstructions found in drain lines. Why do I need Grease B Gone? Unmaintained drains at your facility can result in backups that can prevent proper flow and could even prevent your grease trap from functioning properly. If the issue is left untreated, it could result in drain snaking, frequent grease trap pump outs, or possibly replacing your drain lines entirely. On top of that, the foul odors that are accompanied with fog buildup could have a negative impact on workers or could leave a negative impression on visitors. Grease B Gone is a fast-acting drain solution for those with minor buildup and will keep your drain lines clear, prevent foul-smelling drains, and reduce grease trap pump outs. When should I buy Grease B Gone? With any drain maintaining product, the best time to start treatment is before your problems become severe. You don't want problems to occur during a busy time at your facility, such as a dinner rush. So avoid these fast approaching problems by starting preventative drain maintenance early. How much does Grease B Gone cost? The cost of Grease B Gone can vary depending on multiple factors such as application, but on average, our customers pay around this much per month for Grease B Gone and around this much for Grease B Gone Cherry. To purchase this product, simply visit www.stateindustrial.com and hit the Contact Us button to reach out to one of our trained sales professionals. All drains are different, and the easiest way to find out if Grease B Gone is the right solution for you is to schedule a facility survey to start on the path towards worry-free drains.